Yamaha's MX and enduro motorcycles are equipped with cable clutch system. This WR450F 2020 is not an exception. The engineers improved the system, and on the new model the clutch lever is pulled noticeably easier than on the old WR450F. And it's even easier on the Chinese speed bike with 125cc engine. But you can make it easier by installing the hydraulic system from the German manufacturer Magura. The kit for WR450F includes master cylinder, hydraulic line and slave cylinder. The system is already filled with oil and bleeded. For installation you need to remove the seat, air filter cover and left side fairing. OEM clutch cable goes behind the upper radiator mount, so the radiator should be unscrewed. To disconnect the cable, unscrew the fixing nut. The cable is fixed from below with a tie that can be cut. Next, remove the clutch lever and disconnect the sensor, which does not allow to start the engine in gear if the clutch lever is not pressed down. OEM cable system weighs the same as hydraulic Magura Hymec. The new clutch lever is attached with a quick release clamp on one bolt. The line is laid in the same way as the original cable, behind the upper radiator mount, and below it is fixed with a tie. To install the slave cylinder, remove the bracket. The rod is connected to the lever without a nipple, as it is. Free travel should be from 4 to 6 mm. As the clutch discs wear out, decrease the free travel by washes. The hydraulic line is laid with no stress. Assembly is carried out in reverse order. In order not to close this circuit in the connector under the right side fairing, I leave the sensor as it is. Now the clutch lever is pulled much easier. Folding mechanism saves the lever in case of crash. There is a convenient adjustment of the distance to the grip. This system is filled with a special oil that does not absorb moisture, so it does not need maintenance, unlike a cable clutch system. By the way, Magura Hymec works much easier than OEM Brembo master cylinder on MX KTM. Subscribe if information was useful.